Hello, good afternoon. It's been a long time. What a great day. It's Sunday, and then right now we will be exploring the new features or the new features of AWS, Amazon Web Services. This is the most common tools that most software engineers programmers use to deploy their Laravel projects. So let's go to our EC2. So let's check for our new features that the AWS or Amazon people updated. So as what you have observed, this EC2 dashboard is a new features. You can see here that this one has been designed with like the U an order list and list. It's like a bootstrap design. And then after that, the launch instance is already here at the middle. That before it's in the top. And then what else? Migrate machine. Okay, they have this one. They also have schedule events. That's cool. Then launching templates. This is one of the good features that the Amazon added. So imagine you just need to create your own template and then launch that one. So that would be less hassle. Then what are we have here Elastic IP. Oh, so they changed the design. Yeah. Supposedly these two button here is from here at the upper left, and then yeah, so for now we can just say that that's the end of our exploration. So I'll give you a quick glimpse and tutorials of how to create our instance. So oh, we have one running instance. Did I? Oh, I just forgot. Did I create another one? Ah, yeah, that's true. Let me check this one first. So paste, let me check. Okay, I just created CICD. So for that one, let me terminate this one. Yes, are you sure you want to terminate? Of course. Okay, so this EC2, let's use this one, launch and instance EC2. Let's see what will happen. Okay, that one, you know that this button is just the same as this one. Yeah, so when we want to create our own VPS or server from Amazon, you can choose any distribution you like. Mostly it's Linux. We have here the Amazon Linux, their own distribution. They have two version, and this one is 2018. That was last year. So basically, if you want to choose Ubuntu 18 LTS, we have an upcoming 19 LTS right now. We have 16. Yeah, we have with the server also. CentOS, etc. Real, we have real. So okay, for the sake of this tutorial, we'll just um, maybe use this one or use this one. Maybe this latest. Select. Then we just stick for the T micro free tier because I don't want to pay for this tutorial. Okay, let's stay with the default right now. Next, storage 8 gigabyte. Okay, that's not bad. Our security I just created one a while ago, so this is one easy to basic setup. So this security has configuration of HTTP 8080. We have SSH, of course. How can we connect if we don't have that? MySQL or Aurora, that will be our database, and then HTTPS for 443. Review launch and launch. So I want choose an existing pair. Let's create a new pair like Morlex. Let's download the pair. This will be serve as our RSA. And view the instance for a while. So that's it. This is how we create a new instance from Amazon Web Services. Then after that, we will set up a lamp with Amazon Linux AMI2 lamp. So let's just use this one because I didn't memorize some of the commands. So it's running. Let me refresh. Alright. So the one that Morley.pem, we're gonna use that one. Yeah, AWS. Alright. Let's rename that one to Morlex. Then open git bash and let's use that one to connect. Well, actually, you can connect that one by just copying this one because the default user is EC2 user here, and we're going to use this morlex.px as file tunnel. This I, that's what it means. SSH here. Let's find the I identify file. Yeah, that's what it means. So here, oops, sorry. Let's connect to our server via SSH. Yes. Why they ask this one for what? In the first place, when you first connect to our what we call this one AWS server using SSH, it it pop-ups if you want to continue or establish a connection before between that, because in our Amazon, which is our server which we are connected right now, it will generate something like an SSH that we allow this computer, my laptop right now, to connect that AWS instance. That's what it happens behind that one. So I just feel that I need to explain that one, I guess. So, okay. I think we need to sudo yum update minus y because obviously we're in a default Linux distribution, and then I just need to update some things. Okay, it's good to be stay updated. Okay, this one supports 7.2, so I think Amazon Linux AMI2 will be the best choice if you're using the latest version of the Laravel, or yeah, Laravel. That's what we use. One of the best PHP framework exists right now. So let's just enter that one. Enter that one. Well, this one you need. You can use this one if you want to check your information of your server, like that. See that one? We have here Amazon Linux 2. Caro. Caro is the name of their distribution. So after that one, do I need to use this one? Do I need to install this one? Let me. Okay. Somewhere. It's like a database. Let me close this one. Then after that one, yeah, when we want to start, Apache after the system restarts. That's how it is. Then, all right. Then copy that one. Mostly this documentation right here. You just need to implement the commands. That's what exactly mostly here. So basically, you just go through this documentation. Yeah, it's enabled already. You just need to go to this documentation and then check for yourself. Well, in my part, I already read some of it, so I just doing copy and paste. But if you're new, you just need to just stick on reading the documentation. Okay, after that, we want to view our Apache or our server. If it's the Apache is already running up, so we just need to copy our public IP. For now, we just use our public IP. No need to use elastic IP address. I'm going to what we call this one. Mm, discuss more about that. So for now, let's just take this one. Okay, so we have here our Apache. So if you're going to go to this place, cd var w.html, see that one? We don't have any file because here, if you don't have any file, this one will be executed. That looks good. So if you're going to create a new file, we need to adjust our group like this one so that we don't need to write for some codes. But for the sake of this tutorial, this one means is add user EC2 into Apache group. I think I don't need to explain this one. You can read that one. Then exit, then groups, going to exit, connect again. So if you type groups, you can see there the Apache here. Yes, and this EC2 is part of the Apache group. Then after that, um, see this one change group ownership and it's contains by Apache group. Own, G own, shown. And then after that, to add write permission ID, you need to copy this and execute this one. Okay, good. So second will be this one, to add write permission recursively, change the permission of div_w. This is the directory we had. And then after that, well, let's test this one. So basically this one, what it do is to create a PHP info that a PHP.info.php file inside our var w html, and then the inside of the file is this one. So enter. So if we're going to check that one, if it's really successfully right, so we just need to type php info.php. So we have here the version of our PHP, which is 7.2, as what we have added here at the top. Yeah, 7.2. So let's create our own file, w.html. Maybe I want to touch index.html, and then sudo index.html. Oh my god, ls. Oh, I mean not sudo but nano index.html. My bad. So hello Morley, the programmer, which accepts remote project. Save that one. That was Control X and press Y for yes, then enter. So if we're going to go back to our main site, we won't see any default page from Apache. That will be hello Morley the programmer, which accepts. Oh, what happened to the T remote project? So that's the end of our demo right now. So next time we will continue to make more educational video, advanced and medium level, and hope you enjoy it. Thank you.